Hey, welcome back. On today's news, this little known crypto asset surged 130% in 7 days, shattering an all-time high as Bitcoin in the crypto market searched for support. What is that about? One little known crypto asset is on a parabolic rally, recording new all-time high despite the prolonged market-wide correction. QNT rallied to a new all-time high of $104.41 from a 7-day low of $45.23. According to CoinMarketCap, the meteoric ascent represents a surge of 130.84% in just 1 week. So what is Quant and what can it do? Quant is a network that aims to bridge and connect all other blockchains on a global scale, using what is called Overledger Network. According to the project, the network aims to function as an ecosystem for the entire digital economy. In a new tweet, popular crypto analyst Credible Crypto weighed on QNT, noting how unusual it is for individual altcoin to be rocketing upward while the rest of the market consolidate. According to the pseudonymous trader, QNT could be a sign of more things to come from the altcoin market. Altcoins typically don't make a new all-time high in the midst of the bear market. Yes, there are some exceptions, but most fail to do so. Most altcoins top out within 30 days of BTC hitting new all-time high, then broke down and never recovered. I suspect we see many alts follow QNT. The real question is, are we in a bear market? Credible Crypto claimed that QNT ascent indicate that the crypto market have not truly entered a bear market. As of now, Quant is trading for $77.43, down 7.63%. The red hat crypto asset is up 700% year to date, after opening 2021 at $11.04. That's my time. Peace.